Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Assalamu alaikum. Hope you are all fine. I am your social studies teacher from Darul School, Madinatul Hujaj, Golra Road campus. Before starting our lesson, anyone tell me that if you would like to find a place or a location of the world, how will you find that place or location? Which things you used for finding the place or the location? Anyone tell me that what is this? Yes, this is a globe. So when we find any place or location in the world, we use globe. What is globe? Globe is the model and the physical structure of the earth, and this is in a rotating from same like as our earth. In globe we divide our earth into the continents and the oceans. How many continents are there? Continents are 7. There are 7 continents in the world and 5 oceans. What are continents? Continents are the large piece of the land of the earth. And what are oceans? Oceans are the large area of the water on the earth. So whenever we would like to find any place or country or location in the world, we use globe. Now let's start our reading. Today we start our lesson number 2, globe, map and their uses. I told you about the globe, that globe is a model of the earth. Now start reading. You have already learned that the earth is round in shape like a ball. Our earth is round like a ball. A globe is a ball-shaped plastic, wooden or metal representation of the earth showing its continents and the ocean. I told you that globe shows us about the oceans and the continents of the world. It is mounted on an axle so that it can rotate like the real earth. Globe is in a rotating form as our earth is rotate naturally. The ancient Greeks were the first to make the globe around 150 BCE. Who made the globe? The ancient Greeks were made the globe. In a Quranic ayat, Allah says, "It is He who made the sun a shining light and the moon a drive light and determined for it." Allah says that He made whole the world and made sun and the moon, and all the things in the world have their times of movement, that you may know the numbers of years and accounts. How many years ago these things are made until they are in working. Now the second thing is map. What is map? Map is a graphical representation of the world on a flat piece of paper. Who made the maps? The cartographers made the maps. Maps are the graphical representation of the earth on a flat piece of paper. Now start reading. To understand the features of the earth's surface or part of it, cartographers draw an image of the earth on paper or chart on a set pattern. This graphical representation of the earth on a flat surface is called map. What does maps tell us? Maps tell us about our location on earth, places around us, land features, elevations, boundaries, atmospheric change or even historical events. Maps tell us about the location of the earth, places around us and all land features that we have, and also tell us about the atmospheric changes. In the past, people used maps for long distance traveling. In the past, people used maps for the long distance traveling and sailing or to portray a war strategy. And nowadays, maps are widely used for these purposes. There are many types of maps, but in our chapter we learn about two maps. One is road map and the other one is political map. What is the road map? In our daily lives, road maps help us to locate places, estimate distance and tell us directions. And political maps shows us boundaries of countries or cities. We have also a weather map which tells us about the daily weather conditions of the earth. Next thing is atlas. What is atlas? Atlas is a collection of various maps or book of map is called an atlas. What is atlas? Atlas is a book of map. An atlas includes map of continents and countries along with factual data. Atlas is a book of map which has the continents and the country's location along with the factual data and location of natural resources. Now, next we learn about the components of the map. There are many components of the map. First one is the title, symbols, colors, legends, map keys, scales, directions. These are the components of the map. Now, we learn about one by one about the map components. First component of the map is title. What is title? A title of the map gives information about the subject and theme of a map. It tells us about the subject or name of the map. Second thing is symbols. What are symbols? Symbols are the small picture representing physical or man-made features of the earth. What are symbols? These are the representation of the physical or man-made features of the earth. For example, this is a tree. It shows forest or a park. Next is colors. Colors we use in the maps for showing the different places. For example, we use blue colors for the lake or river or ocean, green color used for the forest. And next is directions. What are directions? It tells us about that in which direction the place is locating which we would like to find. There are 4 directions. We have the compass for finding the directions. There are 4 directions: east, west, north and south. Next is scale. What is scale? Scale we use in the scale in a map for the purpose of the distance. Scale tells us about the actual distance of the places in a map. Next are the legend or the map keys. These are also known as the map keys because at a side place of a map there are small pictures along with their names, and same pictures are using in the map, so we can easily find out the places in the map through these pictures. These are the small pictures representing physical or man-made features of the earth. Next is there are also the types of the symbols. There are 3 types of the symbol. One is the point symbol, line symbol, area symbol. There are 3 types of the symbol. What is point symbols? These are the individual dots or triangle or squares representing a place. Look at this map. What are the point symbols? These are the individual or triangle or square. These are the shapes of different kinds which are showing a building or place or a city in a map. For example, look at this shape. This is square. Look at this picture, triangle. Look at this. This is a dot. So these are also the point symbols which show us the place, building or a city. Next is line symbol. Line symbols, these are the straight or curved or dotted lines representing a river, road or railway. These are the curved or straight lines which are representing